We got us another problem today. The air conditioning, the blower quit going down the road and we no longer have anything blowing out these. We're going to be looking at either blower motor, resistor pack, or fuse or relay, I guess. We're going to pull the blower motor out and check it with a test lamp. See if we got power going to it. Ooh, it's hot. So when we pull the fuse, the air conditioning is kicking on, but we don't want it to overpressure. Without a manual, how do we know which one of these relays or fuses we can go through and check for the blower is located under touch panel, and it is right there. Okay, so the connector coming to it has a little tab you just push right here with your finger and pull it off, and so we're going to test for power there, and that'll tell us if it's the resistor or a relay or whatever. So turn the key on. We're going to ground to the cigarette lighter here because I couldn't find a good ground. And it's going to be, we got a green wire and a black wire. We got good power right here. So we have power coming to the blower motor. We need to replace the blower motor. Oh, so this thing's a lot bigger than I thought it was. So they're right there. Right there is the resistor pack. Okay, but since we have power, so right there will be the resistor pack. We got this big blower motor. All right.
Shut it off.
Plastic. Everything's plastic, or nylon rather nowadays. No metal squirrel cages anymore. No metal anything. Everything's plastic. That's why it don't last. At least it don't have a vent tube. Everyone I've always seen had a vent tube right here.
See?
That is called a mouse nest.
I can't get it to reach without putting it up in there.
I'm too old to stand on my head.
I think that's it. Is that it?
Yep. Okay, all you need to do to replace this is a light
8mm.
and an 8mm nut driver. There's only 3 bolts and 1 electrical connection. And now it works. So pretty simple fix to do on your lunch hour.